When choosing a career, it's really important to understand what the earning potentials of that job are, because it's a thing called leverage. Some careers, even though they don't take more work, will just naturally make more money, such as becoming a software developer. Whereas some careers, you have a limited leverage because either the job isn't growing fast enough or people in that industry aren't going to pay you enough. And so in this video, I'm going to go over cybersecurity salaries for various job postings. I'll be going over some skills of each one of these jobs and what the starting salary is to what a senior level is. Take these salaries with a grain of salt because it varies on your skill level, experience, location, how well you can negotiate, and all of that fun sort. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Nicole, and this channel is all about helping you upskill and land a job in tech. Let's get started. The first high-paying cybersecurity career is becoming a pen tester. This is probably the most popular job, and the average pay is about $120,000 with a starting salary of around $91,000 and a maximum salary of around $157,000, and this is by talent.com. Some skills you have is you're going to be doing security assessment testing for companies, trying to find vulnerabilities in their networks, data, computer system, people, and trying to exploit them so that they're able to fix these vulnerabilities before a malicious actor actually finds these before and causes a breach. This is also known as an ethical hacker, hacker for hire, security assessment tester, and all of that fun sort. Really good career to get into. The next high-paying cybersecurity career I have on my list is cloud security engineer. Cloud jobs are growing at an exponential rate, and you can make on average $136,000. Entry-level positions start at about $113,000, and maximum you can go to $180,000. These numbers are pretty accurate. Now, if you have no job experience, I wouldn't expect to make $113,000 right out of school, but you can definitely make $60,000, $70,000, $80,000. And on a daily basis, you'll be maybe doing remediation, doing IAM for cloud security, design, developing, and implementing security strategies. A good place to start would be the AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud certificates, and they're just to familiarize yourself with cloud and then move up to security because it is an extremely complex topic and just going towards cloud security may not be the best way. My next high-paying cybersecurity career is a network security engineer with an average pay of around $116,000. Entry-level positions start at about $96,000 and you can make up to $151,000. Again, it depends on the experience. If you want to get started with this, I suggest going for the CCNA and getting a good basis in networking. Some tasks you'll be probably utilizing firewalls or implementing and designing secure network architecture. You may be deploying and maintaining these systems to keep it secure. You may be remediating vulnerabilities on the network and hardening systems based on company policies. The next high-paying career is becoming a SOC analyst, and a SOC analyst is one of the best entry-level cybersecurity careers you can start with. An entry-level position is about $64,000, and you can make up to around $120,000. The skill set also doesn't take that long to get, so really good. Also, lots of companies need these people, and there's a lot of night shifts. And you're going to monitor and assess vulnerabilities across company assets. You're going to be analyzing security event alerts, network traffic, and log data to proactively identify a behavior that is not in the norm. The next high-paying career is digital forensics, and digital forensics pays about $110,000 with entry-level job being around $90,000 and a more experienced being around $148,000. These positions often will work in police departments and law enforcement and are responsible for collecting evidence according to chain of custody. They may conduct forensic examinations on hard drives, peripherals, computer systems, and all of that sort. Super cool job. The next job on my high-paying cybersecurity career list is becoming a security auditor. This is within the governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) realm and is a really good way to get started. The beginning salary is around $90,000 and an entry-level position is about $73,000, and more experience you can make $130,000. You'll be, as a security auditor, auditing different systems to make sure they're in compliance with government rules, regulations, and policies. You'll be creating risk-based audit plans. You'll be documenting the engagements with the customer and then providing feedback on how they can improve their systems. This is you don't have to be that technical for this job, so it is a really good place to start. My next high-paying cybersecurity career is becoming a cybersecurity manager. The average pay is about $136,000. As less experienced, you can make $113,000, and more senior level, you can make $175,000. Again, take these salaries with a grain of salt, but really good, profitable job to get into. And usually as a cybersecurity manager, you oversee the whole infrastructure of cybersecurity. You make sure that people are following rules, procedures. You're making sure your infrastructure is compliant with various government rules, regulations. You make sure the scope of the work is being done. You actively try to reduce complexity in the systems to make it more functional. This is a tough job, but I'm sure for the right person, it's very rewarding. The next job that's high paying that nobody ever talks about is identity access management. And this field is hot. If you want no competition and you want to specialize in a skill, identity access management would be very good. It has an average salary of $117,000 with an entry-level salary being $85,000 and at the top end being $165,000. These skills are also not that hard to get. Some common names would be IAM Analyst and IAM Engineer. You'll be working with things such as identity management, single sign-on, access federation, multi-factor authentication, and privilege identity management. These are super good and important skills to get. You may be doing documentation, you may be provisioning and deprovisioning users on the network, which really is not that hard. And you'll be supporting IAM deliveries and making sure IAM systems are working. So that is my cybersecurity salary report. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.